Now that summer is here, I have been trying to lay off the makeup. I have been in a mood to be creative lately, and I really want to try like all these fun makeup looks, but also I live in Arizona and it's hot as I don't want to have any makeup on at all, to be honest, because it just feels gross. So it just sucks because I'm like, I want to do a heavy eyeshadow. Like I want to put all the colors on my eyelids, the foundation, all of the makeup, and it's just too hot for that. So I am really excited for fall, winter 2020. I'm gonna go in with this NYX Bare With Me Tinted Skin Veil, and I really love this one. Whatever's left, I just go over my eyelids. I'm gonna take my Huda Beauty powder. This is the in the shade Pound Cake. This is the Easy Bake Loose Setting Powder. And I'm gonna tap. I'm not gonna rub. I'm not making circular motions. And I got my hair done last night and I couldn't decide if I wanted to go brunette or blonde. I know I said I was gonna leave my hair alone. My roots are pretty dark, that way when my hair grows out there's like it blends, and then in the front we went really light, and the back it's a little bit more richer, but it still has what did she say, it was like melting that she did and balayage. This is my first time doing my makeup since I got my hair done and I'm so excited. Next I want to bring some color back into my face. I'm gonna go in with a Nars Laguna. This is the matte bronzer. I'm gonna take this around my temples here and I'm gonna like push it back into my hair. I've been trying to figure out what my face shape is. If you guys are like good at determining face shapes, what face shape do you think I am? Can't figure out if I'm heart or oval. Like what? It's just so confusing. So if you guys know what my face shape is, can you leave a comment down below? I would love to hear what you think. And I'm sorry this lighting has changed so much. I'm using natural light. And then I'm also going to bring this down here. All right, next I'm gonna take this MAC Extra Dimension blush in the shade Sweets for My Sweet. I'm gonna actually apply this on my finger. I'm gonna take my ring finger and pick it up. Tap the back of my hand. Oh, I put a lot of nose bronzer on. Look like I stuck my nose in doo-doo. Okay, don't do that. I'm going to apply my blush up here. I'm not gonna, usually I do it down here on the cheek, but I'm not getting any younger and I'm trying to like lift stuff, you know? So I'm gonna apply this blush up here, corner of my eye, and I'm gonna take it back. And I'm just pushing. I'm not rubbing this on the skin, I'm tapping. I'm gonna use the Balm Maryloumanizer highlight. I'm gonna pick it up like so. Tap that just above the blush. And whatever's left, I'm gonna just tap on my nose. On the tip of it, kind of bring it up a bit. The Benefit Give Me Brow in the shade 5. It's a brunette brow gel. Thicken them up a bit. So I'm gonna skip lip liner and lipstick. My lips have just been a little dry lately, so I'm gonna go in with just a gloss. This is the Colourpop Luxe Gloss in the shade Check-In. Check-In? Check-In. Next, I'm going to take the Per On Point eyeliner. This is in Hotline. It's just like a dark brown. and I'm going to basically line my eye, but I'm literally just like smudging it on the lash line. I'm gonna take this small, what is this, flat shader brush. This is from, oh, who's this from? Profusion. And I'm gonna smudge that out. I don't want any like harsh lines, but I do want my eyes to be defined. So I'm just gonna smudge that, kind of drag it a bit. So no liner. It just like adds definition. With whatever is left on the brush, I'm going to smudge down here. And by doing that, it creates like this little shadow here. I like to just add some definition around my eyes so they don't get washed out, you know? I'm gonna use the Loreal Bambi Eye Mascara. This is the waterproof one. Sweat, heat, and things like really shift and move and melt. And this stuff just stays put all day. It's actually almost gone, so my eyelashes aren't gonna look super bomb today, because I literally don't have any product in here. I'm gonna take the same highlighter I used on my cheeks here, and I'm going to pop that right in the center. I love how like fresh I feel in this and light. Like I feel pretty, I feel put together, but I don't feel like I'm suffocating. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. It shows me that you care. And I hope you guys have a lovely day, a lovely week, a lovely life. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.